Alright, we're live. Are we? Yes, we are. Welcome back for more Pokemon Silver. I was gonna say gold. Let's go. Okay, so my team has changed a little bit because I've been hatching eggs. I did the thanks to my red Gyarados, I transferred my red Gyarados to Pokemon Red. Yeah, that's right, Red. Transferred to Pokemon Red, and from Pokemon Red I was able to catch a shiny Ditto. I brought it back here to use it as a breeding tool, and with that I managed to breed a shiny Hoot. I'm gonna show you right away. I'm gonna deposit all these eggs now, I don't even need them. Actually, I'm not going to be using this Hoot anymore, so bye. Hold on, where's my team? Oh, there it is. So that's it, yes? Let me just make sure that's the whole team. Yeah, it is. Alright, so I'm gonna reorganize the team real quick. So Hoot's gonna get a lot of experience. Because we need to train the Hoot. But I need to update also my my layout now as well. I'm gonna do that real quick. Alright. There we go. We just changed color. There's a shiny Hoot. I'm gonna turn on the AC, it's feeling hot in here. It's feeling hot, I am feeling hot. Alright. Alright, we're good. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna... Hey, Clumsy! Hey, Nebby! Welcome! Welcome to the stream. Alright, there's an area here that I forgot to go to. Well, actually, I think I just battled one trainer, if I'm not mistaken. Hold on. Not here, not here, not here. Here. Because I was hatching a bunch of eggs. And I happened to visit this area down here. There was three trainers. I think I battled one of them, though. Tentacruel. Yeah, why not? So I'm very happy with my shiny Hoot Hoot. It worked. I didn't think it was gonna work, but it worked. It was a long process, and I'm glad. Ah, oh, crap, of course. No. This is just a wild Pokemon. Look at this. I better get some serious XP. Alright, who's good to level 8? Hoot needs to catch up with the team now. Hoot is poisoned. Not Hoot, sorry. Poison Barb? No. Antidote, there it is. No, that's for poison, is it? Nope. Ah, yes, it's for poison. I thought it was for paralysis for a sec. And since I'm here... Hey, Paul Ferris, welcome. Let's continue. I'm not gonna fight another wild. Ah! Should I? Should I? Yes, I cannot resist. Oh wow, he still got better speed than I do. Come on, just 2 Thunder Shocks. I'm gonna get poisoned again, am I? No. Level 9. Why hasn't Mary leveled yet? I find it awesome that everybody asks me the same question over and over again. I like to keep my Pokemon babies because they learn their moves faster when they're unevolved. So that's what I do. I want to make sure that everybody learns their final move before I evolve them. So for instance, Totodile needs to learn Hydro Pump, otherwise I'm not going to evolve them. Even Mareep needs to learn Thunder before I evolve Mareep. So yeah, that's it basically. No, I haven't fought these guys. Hey, a boy found us! Yeah, they learn their moves so much faster when they're unevolved. That's why I do that. Come on, Mareep. Wow, I find it amazing that everybody's faster than Mareep, speed-wise. Okay. Yeah, you're right about Nidoran, but I don't have a Nidoran, so... Alright, can we do this? Let's try. Should I try Thunder Wave? Let's try. Ouch. Oh! I don't have anything else to heal with. No, so I'm gonna switch. Ghastly, you're up! Oh no! Doesn't affect me! Alright, let's go. Yeah, I can, Paul. Yes, I'll trade them once when the time comes. I'll trade them. That's not a problem. Oh man, give me a break. It went dark by the time I finished fighting that girl. That's how long the fight took. Switching. Thank you. And thank you. Which EV evolution? I'm not saying for now. I'm not saying. I'm keeping it a secret. I'm gonna switch again. Sometimes OBS just likes to act up. My connection is fine, my internet is fine, there was no frames dropped, nothing. It just felt like disconnecting. I guess I'm gonna have to use Eevee. I can't use Eevee. Eevee's still a baby. I mean, baby, has no moves really. Just send, attack and tackle. Come on, flinch. No, of course not. These people down here have strong Pokemon. They give me a hard time. Come on, Hoot Hoot, catch up to the team. He needs to catch up because I just hatched the little Hoot Hoot. Nope, Mareep, nope, 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 nope. Nope. I don't even remember what's down here. I'm not gonna risk it. Actually, I am, actually. Oh, come on! I love the sound that makes the Aurora Beam. Okay, it's on you, Totodile. I don't think he's gonna do anything though. Oh, he just might. Okay. Flinch. Ooh. One down. It's a female Totodile. Oh yeah, I forgot it's a female Totodile. It's true. I wasn't happy with the female Totodile. Is it rare? Is it really rare? I didn't know that. I don't like having a female Totodile. I don't know. I look at Totodile and I think of a boy, not a girl. I'm gonna check real quick. Is it really rare? Hold on. PQRST T for Totodile. It is rare. Wow. It is rare. 12.5% chance of finding a female. Wow. 87.5 male. Wow. Interesting. I didn't know that it was rare. And I wasn't even happy with that. Oh yeah, I'm looking at your comment as well now. 12.5%. Interesting. Wow. I'm glad you brought that up now. I'm happy with my Totodile. Come on, you can do this, Totodile. Come on. Come on! Ah, that's okay. I wanna use Eevee, but hey, V4 is here, and that's the first thing she says. Rip. I wanna use Eevee, but I don't wanna risk fainting my Eevee. I'm gonna try. Come on, Eevee. You got this. Ooh, nice. Ah, really? Really, Eevee? Really? Alright. Let's do it 3 times. Ah! I'm gonna give you another chance. If you one more chance and I'll withdraw you. Okay, there we go, it's gone. Your chance is gone. I'm not gonna risk it anymore. I don't want my Eevee to faint. Alright, Dratini. I hate using my Dratini, he's overpowered. Ooh! Ouch. This Dratini came from yeah, you can only do it after the 8th gym, that's right. But this Dratini came over from my previous team, from Red. I moved over my Pokemon Red team to this game. I'm keeping all the Pokemon. That's what I'm doing. I started over from scratch. Come on, there has to be something here. Really? I don't believe this. I came here for nothing? I don't believe this. I thought it would be some sort of reward down here. No? Oh, wow. Yeah, this is Dratini from Red, that's right. Oh, come on! So yeah, that's what I did. I started over playing Pokemon Red, and from Pokemon Red I moved over to Pokemon Silver. And then from Silver I'm gonna move over to Omega Ruby Alpha Sapphire. So I'm gonna be keeping all my Pokemon. My experience was my reward. That's not good enough. No! No, 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 no. No, no, no. No, don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. Ah, you suck. Ah, you suck. You suck ass from a straw. No. I know, I'm disappointed that it doesn't look like the shiny Hoot Hoot Ash had. I'm annoyed. Alright, let's go heal. I'm gonna continue our quest. Back in Mahogany Town. Is he gonna look any prettier when he evolves, perhaps? I don't know. Let's see. Let's see if he looks any prettier when he evolves. Probably not. Well, kind of better. Kind of. Still yellow. Still yellow, but wait, whatever. So, moving on. Oh yeah, I need to teach him fly now, again. Alright, uh-oh, do I still have fly? It doesn't go away once you teach it to somebody. I hope not. No, there it is. I guess foresight. Alright, let's go. I should be grateful that I have a shiny in my team. That's it. Alright, we're gonna go mahogany. And we're gonna continue where we left off. Here. Dragonite! Hyper Beam! He used Hyper Beam on a human being. The third evolution is called Ampharos by V4. Ampharos. Just as I thought, that strange radio signal is coming from here. I love the music here. Boom. Really? No matter how much I hate a Pokemon, this is my rule. No matter how much I hate a Pokemon, if I happen to find a shiny, it's going in my team. Shiny gets priority. So if I have my ultimate team and I happen to run into a shiny, I don't know, whatever, I'm gonna be raising it. The only legit shinies that I ever got, legit shinies, obviously Red Gyarados, Golduck, a shiny Golduck, well, Psyduck, a shiny Psyduck in Pokemon Moon. My first time playing the game, I was streaming it and I ran into a shiny Psyduck. And a shiny, what was it called? Shuppet? I think Shuppet it's called. Yeah, in Pokemon, I think it was Omega Ruby Alpha Sapphire, I think. Alright, let's go. Hey, intruder alert! This is the experience I'm gonna get right now. Dickersby, okay. Drowsy. Oh, and I also got shiny Ditto, of course, but I did it with the trick. You know, I moved over the Red Gyarados, and I used the Mimic Transform, so that Ditto copies its stats and turns it into a shiny, and then I caught it. Alright, Thunder Shock. The Red Gyarados that I caught in this game, I'm gonna trade him to the Hoenn region. I'm gonna use him. He's gonna be part of my team there. So he gets to be a shiny Mega Gyarados. Yeah, you don't count him really, but I mean, come on, still, he's gonna be part of my team in the Hoenn region. Not now because he's too mainstream. So. Shiny Floor. I got shiny Windows. Come on, Mareep, you got this. How much further to evolve Mareep? Hold on, I'm gonna check Mareep real quick. HIJKLM, MAR, Mareep. Mareep learns Thunder at level 37. Ah, that's 11 more levels. 37. If I had to evolve into Ampharos right away, it would learn Thunder in 57, you see? You see why I keep them babies? That is why. It's true, Paul, I agree. 37 isn't much, no, it's better than waiting 57. But I already thought I'm gonna do it within the next half an hour. Get thunder. Never mind. I feel like Marie turns into a badass, well, when it evolves into Ampharos. Now let's go. Yeah, I still have it. I transferred it over from Red to this game. I will never use that Nidoking ever again. But the plan was always to use one of my old Pokemon from Red, from my old team in this game as well, and that happened to be Dratini because he's still under leveled, poor thing. I need to evolve him into a Dragonite. I love Gen 2. Badass pillow. Ah, still disabled? Come on, man. I forgot that episode, Paul. I need to watch the anime again. I downloaded the list. You know, the episodes that matter, basically, without all the filler and the crap episodes. I downloaded the list. Whenever Ash catches a Pokemon, wins a badge, or evolves a Pokemon, or maybe one of his teammates gets a Pokemon. So you get just the important episodes. So yeah, basically these are cameras. Yeah, these are cameras. The moment you pass in front of them, they start beeping. Let's trigger all the alarms. I need the XP. Should I go heal, actually? We could do one more round. I don't mind the XP. I need the XP. Thunder Shock. Come on, Reap, you can do this. Okay. That's true, Paul. It's weird that Team Rocket plays by the rules. Hypnosis, yes please. I suppose Growl. Because Pokemon battles require 1 versus 1, apparently. Well, then later in the game, later in the series, you can do 2 versus 1, which is funny. Oh, come on! You know, right, Paul? Alright, we got this. There's no escape! It gets very tedious here, fighting the Team Rockets over and over, but whatever. I need the XP. I won't complain. Nice. XP's going up slowly, come on. It's true, Paul, I agree. I love Grimer, I'm gonna raise Grimer one of these days. Grimer's amazing. Hey, maybe I'll raise Grimer in Pokemon Ultra Sun and Ultra Moon now, we'll see. If we find one. Because I really don't like the Alolan version. Oh no! No, 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 no! God dang it! Hey, maybe Eevee can get the XP. Come on, you can do this. I'm gonna go heal. You're getting Ultra Sun? I still haven't decided which one I'm gonna get. Yeah, the thing is this. I get one of them digital copy and the other one I get the... One of them I get a digital and the other one I get physical. So then I look at the box art and I think which one would I like more? So the one I like the most, I'll buy it second. First I'll get the digital. So if I like Ultra Sun's artwork more, I will buy the digital first of Ultra Moon. That's how my mind works. Peekaboo. Do you feel lucky, punk? But in the trailers, apparently they promised more Pokemon this time in Ultra Sun, Ultra Moon, so... I think I saw Larvitar. I'm very picky when it comes to games. I don't buy... I just realized V4's comment. Thundershock. I mean, I don't waste a lot of money on games, no. I mean, I'm really picky, so... It's not really a thing for me. I buy like one game every 2 months, perhaps. The only game coming out next month is Pokemon, that's it. Not spending anything else. And then there's nothing coming out in December, so... I mean, nothing coming out that I like, really. Good job, Mareep. 27. Actually, this month I bought Marvel vs. Capcom Infinite. I wasn't really gonna get it, but then I decided to get it, and then I finished it so fast. I'm wondering if I should sell it. I may want to revisit this game, however, Marvel vs. Capcom. I might play it again in a couple of months. No, Mareep. 10 more levels. Is there something in here? No. Okay, so there's a camera here. Okay. I'm a scientist. Mwahahaha. Now I'm gonna have to use... I don't have a fire type in this team, which is weird, but I'm gonna have to use Dratini. I'll keep Dratini then. I'm surprised it's not missing Fire Blast. Another Magnemite. Okay. Another Fire Blast. Hasn't missed once. Meh. I don't know what that switch just did. Did I switch off the cameras? I hope not. Hey, Cheer, hello! What movie did you watch then? Oh no, I switched them off. No, I'm gonna switch them back on. No. Ah, man, you didn't like it? I was meant to watch it, but I never did. Can I switch it back on? Oh man, I switched it off. No, I didn't mean to do that. I lost a bunch of XP. Oh man, I switched off the cameras. Nugget! Son of a nugget! So let's go down here. Are you alright? Your Pokemon are hurt and tired. Here, give them some of my medicine. Let's give it our best for Pokemon. I'm doing great here. I'm doing great. So this is locked, yes? What about you? How are you, Cheer? Peekaboo! You rotten little pest! Can I use my Hoot Hoot? Still a baby though. Can we try? Can we try? Let's try. I think we can. Fly, fly, fly! I love the animation of the confusion. Can we peck? Nice. Well done, Hoot Hoot, his first battle. How's Hoot Hoot getting twice the XP? Wait a sec. I don't get it. He's hatched from an egg. I don't get it. Oh no, I did fly by mistake. Ah. He might hit himself while in the air. There we go. Oh, come on. Ooh, so close. There we go. It took me a while to hatch this beautiful, it's not that beautiful actually, but he's shiny. My Hoot Hoot is shiny now. That's unique, kind of. Alright, come on, we can do this. It's a level 18 Golbat, and you're 27 Mareep, and you have a type advantage. You can do this! Nice, come on, one more. I like Golbat, huh? It's been a while since I raised the Golbat. I know, right, Levi? I know, right? It took me a while to hatch that beauty. I mean, honestly, I think he looks kind of hideous. But it's a golden Hoot Hoot. It takes 2 passwords to get into the boss's headquarters. Those passwords are known only to a few rockets. The rocket there has very graciously told me so. Let's go get the passwords. Alright. I'll start from here. Coughing! Thundershock! Don't explode! I'm scared of a self-destructor and explosions. Come on. Maybe we'll get a new badge in this stream today. Oh, nice. 19. He's catching up, huh, Hoot Hoot? What's the Team Rocket here? It's a lady. This is Cassidy from the anime. Against. I like the name Cassidy. If I had a daughter, I'll call her Cassidy. I'm gonna switch. I'm gonna use my Hoot Hoot again. Can we do this? Can we pull this off? Gloom. Ooh, wow. My Hoot Hoot is getting strong, huh? I like. What, you missed? Really? Oh, come on, you suck. The moment I said my Hoot Hoot is getting strong. Amazing. I always found it funny that Gloom has an attack called Sweet Scent, when in the anime it was known to stink. Oh my goodness. Oh, full five attacks. 5 rounds. I'm getting angry now. Wow, that Gloom gave me a hard time. Slowpoke tail. Protein, nice. That's going for my These are very expensive to get hold of. I want to try something real quick. Let's see. Let's see if this works. Ah, no, I failed. Right away. Didn't even get started. Yuck, 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 yuck. You're challenging to me a battle? Ha, you're nuts, but you have guts. I like that. If you can beat me, I'll tell you. A password to the boss's room. Yay! Can we do this? That's strategy. He's not gonna tell me? Come on, tell me. The password to the boss's room. I think it's Eradicate Tail. What is this? Nothing. Ouch. Oh, ouch. Rip. Okay, Hoothoot, can you do this? Yes, you can. Uh-oh. No, 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 no. Ah, man. Ah. They're all ghost moves. I cannot do anything except hypnosis. And it didn't even work. Ah, come on, really? Let's keep this up. Let's see if I can do this. Come on, Evie. Oh, so close. Ah, man! It's never that easy. Come on, you can do this. Nice. Oh no! Not now! Not now! No way. Ah, he has no time, he's leaving. Whew. Whew. He left. This is the boss's room, right? Alright, I got it open. So I'm gonna go heal and come back. I wanna check here real quick first. Hey, it's Let Me Live! Hey, how are you? Alright, there's no point in here. Ah, what was in the bag, by the way? I found the TM, right? What was the TM? 40 something. 40 something it was. 49 Fury Cutter, Thief. It was Heaven Thief. Alright, let's go. I'm alright. I woke up not too long ago. Alright, is this it? Is this the boss? Vlog, one question. I know if train your Eevee during the day or night he will try to evolve, but can you evolve with the rock when he's... Yes. The thing is this. If Eevee evolves by happiness, he needs to be very happy. Alright, when he reaches the quota of happiness, which is like 220, I think, the value. When he reaches 220, every time you level Eevee up, it's gonna want to evolve. Right? If it's day, it's gonna try to evolve to Espeon. If it's at night, Umbreon. But at any point, you can use the stone and you change that. Alright, so yeah. Okay, what? Who are you? This is the office of our leader Giovanni. Since disbanding Team Rocket 3 years ago, he has been training. But we're certain he will be back someday to assume command again. That's why we're standing guard. Okay, come on, just finish the story. There we go. Rocket Executive wants to battle. Okay. Ghastly. I still haven't had the opportunity to try the code you gave me, Amy. I still haven't tried it yet. I was too lazy. That's the truth. Lick. I'm stuck. I cannot use this Pokemon anymore. Come on! Oh, come on, man! Alright, that's it. Switching. To... I'm not gonna use Eevee. What level is he? 24. No, I'm not gonna use Eevee now. Totodile, you're up. I hate this move. Ah, one more Pokemon. Coughing. You know what? You might as well explode. I don't care. Sludge. Ooh, and I'm poisoned. Ooh, that's awesome. Alright. GG. I have to inform the others. I like that. Alright, the moment I take one step, my Totodile is gonna faint. Micro! The password is Hail Giovanni. Really? Okay. And he fainted. I'm gonna go heal and come back. This is it, this is where I need to come, but I'm not gonna do it now. Whoops. Let's do this. Wrong house, wrong area. No, not wrong area. This is it. I have to take down like 3 electrodes now. Hold it right there! Oh no. We can't have a brat like you on the loose. It's harmful to Team Rocket's Trident, you see. However strong you may be, you can't take both of us at the same time. You see, they heard you, Paul, now. They're gonna do that. They're gonna do just that. Get ready to be trashed. And then comes Dragonite. Pew pew. Hey, don't be so selfish. Spread the fun around. Alright. What? You had an accomplice? Where's your sense of honor? Here's your sense of honor. First they attack they both attack a 10-year-old kid, and then it's like, where's your sense of honor? Because I have a partner. As the interim boss in place of Giovanni, I'll show you how wrong it is to meddle with Team Rocket. Whatever. Whatever, dude. Whatever. Rocket Executive wants the battle. Arbok. Come on, you can do this, Mareep. Wow, look at that. I flinch, I get poisoned. Ah, amazing. Amazing. Look at that. That is so cheap. Okay, Hoot, you get the XP. If you can. Come on, you can resist this. Come on. Let's keep doing this. Ah, I don't think I can. Oh no, I can't. We tried. Let's try Ghastly. What? What the heck just happened? What the heck just happened? Okay, doesn't work. Maybe I can pull this off, I don't know. I just might. Stay sleepy, buddy. Ooh, look at that. Confusory, alright. Instead of lick, perhaps? Yeah, sure, why not? Oh. I hate this bing bong bing bong. Look at that! Ghastly is strong, huh? No Hoot Hoot. Too soon. Even you're Ghastly. This hideout's done for. But that's fine. The broadcast experiment was a total success. It doesn't matter what happens to this hideout now. We have much bigger plans. You'll come to appreciate Team Rocket's true power soon enough. Enjoy yourself while you can. That did it. We defeated all the rockets here, but I'm concerned about the young guy I battled in the process. What? Sorry, Vloggy. I saw how well you were doing, so I just hung back. Now all there is left to do is to turn off that odd radio signal. It's the machine that's causing all the problems. I don't see a switch on it. We have no choice. We have to make all the electrodes faint. That should stop this machine from transmitting that strange signal. That's not a fault of Pokemon. Okay, come on, come on, come on, come on. I think if I use an HP up, I will revive the Pokemon, I think. Hold on. I think. Where is it? I lost it. HP up. I think I'll... Did I? Did I? No. Still fainted. Ah, crap. Let's see how this goes. Electrode. Yeah, I knew this was gonna happen. It doesn't affect me. Haha! This is a good strategy. I think the next Electrode should give me another one level up. Let's see. All of them self-destructed, all of them. Nice. Nope. You're the hero. Let me thank you on behalf of all Pokemon. Oh yes, you should take this. I found it here, but I don't have any need for it. Logger Seat HMO 6. Whirlpool. Oh come on, you talk too much, man. We're gone. Okay, let's heal. I'm gonna reorganize my Pokemon now. Now the question is, hold on, let me just get out of here. This music is driving me crazy. Alright, so 27, 20. Let's keep working on Mareep until it reaches 30. Now the question is, do I have to go right now to Goldenrod to attack the Team Rocket? I think so, eh? Let's see. No, it's not now. I'm gonna check real quick the status of my Eevee. It's quite cute. Ah! What about my money? Hold on, Pokemon. Money. Vloggy. Oh, I got a lot of money now. There we go. I can only have 2. I'll buy 2 more. Yes, here we go. No! So let's see. So 1 protein, Eevee, attack Rose. Now what do you have to say about my Eevee? If you chip Pokemon, it's friendly towards you. It looks sort of happy. Ah, sort of happy is not good enough. Okay, I need to check the happiness real quick, how it works. No, this is not it. I'm trying to find... actually, you know what I should do? I'm trying to find... Alright, we're getting there. We're getting there. Still not happy, but... Let me give him another protein or whatever I have. Hey, Chris the Koala, welcome. Alright, so where was I? Peck. Use. Let's check again. It's friendly towards you. It looks sort of happy. Not enough. Not good enough. No problem. It is a shiny. Yes, it is. 28. We're gonna train our Mareep. Let me show you my shiny. There it is. Hatched from an egg. That's my baby Hoot Hoot. Alright. Okay, so we're going to Mahogany. We're gonna fight another gym leader. This might take a while, because I don't have any fire types. So... I mean, most ice types are water types as well, hopefully, so... Just like Seal. Let's go. Thunder Shock. I hate that sound. I mean, I love that sound, I hate the move. Alright, that's not bad actually. That's not so bad. I'm gonna check Mareep real quick. Come on! So Mareep learns their next move. 37. Well, I mean, the move that matters really, because she's gonna learn Light Screen, and I don't care about Light Screen. Alright, let's go. Come on, you can do this. Or not. Please paralyze. Critical, wow. Not good. I'm not gonna make it. Strong, huh? Alright. Shadow Ball. It's gonna be some good training for my Mareep, but other than that, I don't have a fire type. I mean, I have Dratini that has Fire Blast, but I don't want to use that. Dratini is very OP. And doesn't require training for the time being, so... I'm gonna switch again. Nope. And nope. I'm gonna be healing a lot, but I don't care. As long as I get their training properly done. 28, wow. Alright, come on. What if I Thunder Wave first? Nice, come on, we can do this. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. No! Yeah, do go and give Spain, huh? I haven't played Silver. I haven't played this game in like a decade, I think. Oh, nice. Come on, we got this. Don't you dare sleep again. Are you kidding me? You see, this is why I wish Marie was stronger or evolved, but I'm not gonna do that. It's a pain, yes it's a pain, but whatever. Come on, keep sleeping. No, wake up! Oh, headbutt. Come on, we got this, we got this. Nice. I played this game the most when I was 15. Alright, healing. I'm so looking forward for Ultra Sun and Ultra Moon. I liked yesterday's trailer. Today's trailer was a bit meh, in my opinion. I want to fight all the trainers before I battle Gym Leader. I want to get as much XP as possible. Come on, Marie, come on. Nice, critical. Well done, Hoot Hoot, 22. Who's trying to learn? Reflect, no. I didn't even get damaged. Now then, how do I go about attacking these guys? Alright. Jinx, 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 jinx. I love how they changed the color of her face. It used to be black, her face. Now they changed it into purple. It's not gonna be good. Alright, Thunder Wave. Oh yeah, that's right. I have my Ghastly. She's a psychic type, no? Nice. One last trainer, then I go heal. Looking at my Pokemon, they're all babies. None of them are evolved. I have a team of baby Pokemon. I don't think Thundershock's gonna affect Swinub, yeah? Or Swinub, whatever. Let me try. Yeah, I know it. We're gonna use our Ghastly. I'll try to refrain from using Dratini for now. Oh, Frozen Solid, seriously? Or do you have the only move? Alright, fair enough. What if I use Mareep again? I'm gonna try. Come on, you can do this, Mareep! Yes! Ah, there's another. Alright, let's keep going. Ah, he's faster than me. When they finally learn all their final moves. So basically, Mareep needs to learn Thunder, Ghastly needs to learn Dream Eater, Totodile needs to learn Hydro Pump, and so on basically, and so on and so on. Eevee, I raised your attack a lot. Maybe we can attack. Ooh, a critical though. That's why. Alright, it's because it was a critical. But still, Eevee, very impressive. Very impressive, Eevee. Let's heal. And let's get ready to fight Price. The price is right! that guy over there against the wall, he's like, looks like he's peeing against the wall. So that's what it looks like. He's peeing against the wall. Dude. What's this? Team Rocket has come back? Not sure when that is, but the Elite Four won't be easy with baby Pokemon. Yeah, I know. I should have. They should. All my Pokemon should learn their final moves by the time I reach the Elite Four. I think. I hope. All right, so we're gonna go with Mareep first, then Ghastly second, and Eevee and Totodile. All right, we're gonna be okay, I think. Let's go. How did I do this earlier? I don't know. I have no idea. I have no idea how to do this earlier. Let's try again. Ah, there we go. There we go. That's okay. And I did it the first time right away. All right, let's go. Like I said, I haven't played this in over 10 years. You just played it. Come on, man. Give me a break. Alright. I wonder if he's gonna trash me. The old man. Let's see. He's got 3 Pokemon. We're gonna be okay. Seal, seal, seal. Alright. Thundershock. We'll see about the dugong. I have a strategy as well. The rest. I hate the rest. When he rests. Nice. I'm gonna switch. I'm gonna switch and I'm gonna hope. I don't want to use the Dratini because it's stupid. I'm gonna use Ghastly. Wow, strong, huh? I don't have any fire type moves. This would have been easier if I had a fire type, but I mean, my Dratini knows has a fire type move, but I don't want to use it. I think after this attack he's gonna wake up. So one last attack. Oh wow. No! Okay, that's okay. Critical, nice. I'm gonna go for hypnosis again now. Ah! I predicted he'd wake up, and he did! You missed your blizzard. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna keep trying again with the... This has a high freezing rate, I think. High freezing possibility. No! Alright, come on. I'm sorry, it's gonna bing bong all the way now, huh? Bing bong, bing bong, bing bong, bing bong, bing bong. This is gonna get annoying. The bing bong. Come on, don't wake up, don't wake up. Oh, that's so close, come on! Now, here's my strategy with Dogong. I don't know if he knows rest, but I'm gonna send him to sleep anyway. Bye, have a great time. Alright, so, since you're sleeping, real quick, because the bing bong's driving me crazy, huh? Go, come on, Reap! You got this! He's gonna wake up and he's gonna go back to rest again. Definitely. I called it, right? I called it. That's okay. That's okay, I missed 2 turns earlier to make the switch. This time I didn't have to make a switch, so I can just straight on head on shoot with Thundershock. Unless he wakes up earlier again. Come on, come on. Stay sleepy. Ah, you suck! Alright, let's see how many turns it stays sleeping. So that's 1. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Sooner or later, he's gonna fall asleep for the entire 5 turns. Or I'm gonna get a crit. Something like that's gonna happen. That's fine. There's no rush. Is he gonna wake up again and rest? You suck! I'm spamming the A button like crazy. Sooner or later, he's gonna fall asleep for the entire 5 rounds. Yeah, I lost count earlier. I stopped counting. Let's see. Or I'm gonna get a critical or something like that. Is he gonna wake up again? Eee. Eee. This game's testing my patience. Look at this. You think so? Or I'm gonna run out of PP. Oh, he went back to sleep again! You son of a biscuit! Alright, this is not working out. Should I keep trying this? This is the strongest move I have against him though, huh? Oh, a critical! That's it! That's it! He's done for now, unless he wakes up early again. He's done for. 2 more. 1. Alright, if you wake up now. Alright, there we go. GG. Finally. And we got ourselves another badge. Longest battle ever. No, I've had longer than that actually. Alright, so what's the badge called? Glacier badge, okay. There we go. We got our badge. Maybe you'll let me move it. Alright, there we go. And we're gonna put it over there. There we go. It's covering half his face. I don't like that covering his face. Can we move it a little bit? Let's leave it like that. I don't care. Alright. That's Icy Wind. I remember that. Alright, let's get out of here. Vloggy, how are things going? I called because something weird is happening with the radio broadcasts. They were talking about Team Rocket. Vloggy, do you know anything about it? Maybe Team Rocket has returned. No, that just can't be true. Sorry to bug you, take care. Bye. Okay. I'm gonna heal. Now I'm gonna fly to Goldenrod. Did you know you can get you can't get a leaf stone until Kanto? I learned the hard. Oh no. Really? I didn't know that. Alright, so we're gonna go to Goldenrod. And since I got some money again from the gym, I hate doing this. I hate myself for doing this, but I have to. Let's buy some iron this time. Actually, 1 iron and 1 protein. I don't think I have enough. Wow, alright, just iron then, I guess. I'm spending all my money. And it's gonna hurt me a lot in the future. I know, but I need to do this. Oh no, it's blocked off now, I cannot check. Alright, I guess I won't be able to check. Alright. I'm gonna take down Team Rocket in this area and then I'm gonna call it. Meh! Come on, Thunder Shock. Pokemon are strong here, huh? Ooh, close. Ooh, and I flinched. Nice. Alright, Ghastly. No, there's no point in Ghastly, actually. Eevee, can you do this? Can you do this for me? Please? I don't think I can, actually. If you can do this, I'll be very— No! No, 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 no! Ah! Oh, man! Unbelievable. I freaking hate that move. One Raticate. One Raticate took out half my team. Freaking hate Raticate and Hyper Fang. Look at that, half my team. One Raticate. I hate Raticate so much. Boo. Now this is a 26 Arbok. Doesn't look good. I'm gonna keep going. Ah! Well, at least I can't get poisoned now. Because I don't feel like going back again. I want to have my revenge on this Ratata. He's still faster than my Mareep. Amazing. Oh wow, 5 Pokemon. Let's keep going. That's Hyper Fang! The more I hate that bing bong, bing bong, bing bong. Okay, GG. Alright. Alright. Eevee, can you do this? Can you do this for me? No, don't you dare kill my Eevee. I'm not gonna risk it, I don't want my Eevee to faint again. So I'm gonna use Hoot Hoot. Can I pull this off? No. Ah. Freaking hate Ratatas. I know, right? Shut up. That's okay. That's okay. But the problem is my Pokemon are still babies, that's why I'm having a hard time now. I'm reaching a point where it's hard to keep training them as they are, but I need them to learn their final moves, otherwise we're not gonna make it. I'm gonna go heal. I saw this coming. What does she say to you? Hello, I'm so sorry, but we're not offering any tours of the day. Okay. Why are you still going down? You think so? I don't know. I wouldn't know anything about that. I know that they learn their moves faster though. That is for sure. So that makes it worth it. Peekaboo. The badge is slightly bigger. Alright, that's it. It was affecting my OCD. That's much better. Alright. $30. 7 levels to go. I don't need light screen. Mock. Muck is cum spelled backwards. No, I'm not gonna rip, Chris. I'm not gonna rip. Look. Look. Ta-da! Ghastly. Wow, that hardened. I'm gonna go heal again. The question is, can I make it to the Pokemon Center before Mareep faints? That is the question. Come on! Ooh, I made it. Okay, now that Mareep is level 30, I'm gonna switch. I am going to switch with Ghastly, why not? Maybe he will. Maybe we spoke too soon. Stupid bite. I know it's a pain to drive back and forth, to to go back and forth between the radio tower and the Pokemon Center, but at least like this they get proper training. Let's go. It probably has a normal type Pokemon or something. Oh, Magnemite. Now I'm gonna have to use my Dratini. Actually, you know what? I'll keep using my Ghastly. No, I'm gonna use my Dratini. I'm not gonna. There's no way I'm gonna put up with this. Hey, Toby's here! Hello, Toby! Ah, he paralyzed me. I'm gonna have to go heal again. Paralyzed again. Second Pokemon that's paralyzed. Oh, I'm gonna Fire Blast you so bad. Oh wow, like paralyzed wasn't just enough. Haha, in your face. Nice. I want Ghastly to get the XP. I'm gonna switch again. Like an idiot. Oh, come on! Oh, man! So, Toby, do you like my shiny Hoot Hoot? I know, right, Chris? Fire Blast has a tendency to miss. Another Magnemite. I don't feel like switching this time. It's decent. I did the whole thing with the Red Gyarados. I transferred Red Gyarados to Pokemon Red and then used Mimic on Gyarados whilst fighting a Ditto. The Ditto copied my stats, so it became a shiny Ditto. I caught that shiny Ditto, I brought it over to this game, and now I'm breeding. And there's a 1 in 64 chance, you probably know this already anyway, there's a 1 in 64 chance that the egg hatches a shiny. And after a couple of hatches, I got a shiny Hoot Hoot. I kind of wish I did it on Ghastly actually, but whatever. I think Ghastly is awesome, shiny. You didn't know that? It's very interesting, it's really good, huh? 1 out of 64 is, I mean, I thought it was bad, but then I realized how much better it is than the usual odds. I'm gonna go heal again. I'm gonna be playing for another hour, I think. I should probably do the same thing again with a Charmander, perhaps. Get a nice shiny Charizard. What's going on, Min? Why you get upset? And hello to you too, by the way. You guys remember a time when people used to say hello to each other? I relieve stress with my stream. Alright. Go Shadow Ball! Waiting! Don't poison me. Nice! That's some serious XP over there. There we go. Shiny Carps. Shiny Carps are life. Alright, so, sorry to hear, Min. Sorry to hear. Alright, so, Ghastly's level 30. That means he's 3 levels away. 3 levels away from Dream Eater. That's awesome. 3 levels to go. Oh no, it's locked. Can we pull this off? I'm gonna keep training Ghastly all the way to 33. That's what I'm gonna do. That's it. Please don't bite me. Please don't bite me. Grimer! We're doing fine. We're doing well. Come on. Is Ghastly a mixed attacker and Gen 2 or a special attack? I don't know. I don't even know what mixed or special. I have no idea what that is. I'll check its stats, and you tell me. Let's finish this battle. Oh no, Shadow Ball doesn't work. Oops, it's a Rattata. Alright. Should I use Totodile? Let's get him to level 30. Alright, done. Okay. $26. Once Hoot hits level 30, I'll give the XP share to Eevee. Which reminds me, where does Hoot stands with moves? He's 26 right now. H. At level 34, he learns Confusion. Okay, so how do you know? How can you tell? How can you tell that he's special? Because Toby said special. How can you tell? Like if I go on stats with my Ghastly stats, status okay, XP points, type poison, and ghost. I don't know what that means. I mean, I know what that means, type and ghost, but I don't know what you mean by special. Attack, defense, special attack 77. I don't know what these are. It is a ghost type, yeah, I know, but it says poison as well, apparently. So let's keep moving. Alright, no, I'm not gonna risk it. He might bite me. Well, let's try. Why not? I'm level 30 anyway, boom, like that. That's because the ghost attacks are physical and gentle, which sucks. Yeah, I realized, yeah. Alright, Golbat, can I pull this off? I'm scared. Shackle, I'm the best Pokemon. Shackle is a good Pokemon, actually. I never gave Shackle some love. Shadow Ball, come on, we can do this. Don't bite, please don't bite. Please don't bite. And you bite. Okay. Yes, I have you on my PC. Alright. GG. Alright, Totodile, you're up. Tell that to my big red. I'm stupid for not teaching Icy Wind to Totodile. Yeah, serves me right. I will destroy Mewtwo. Oh, come on, man. Totodile, you're sucking right now. You're making a very bad impression in front of Shackle. Come on. Hey, Dodo is here. Hello, Dodo. I just realized something, Dada. Eee, come on. Why you do this to me, Totodile? Oh, come on, man. So anyway, Dada, I realized something. The first year, you had an eye as a picture. Now you have a mouth. We're gonna get to see all your body parts. We saw your eye. Now it's your mouth. Next year is gonna be his ear. Pants thing should be active. Why are we not getting a response? It should be okay. It's working, right? No, it's not working. Why is Pants not working? I don't like that. Dada. I don't get why Pants is not working right now. Let me try myself. Why is it not working? Oh, it's working. Why did it not work for Chris? Can you try again, Chris? Why did it not work? There we go. I think you should have more than that, though. Alright, you know what? You know what we're gonna do? Right now, I'm going to award everyone 500 pants. Right now. So make sure you are active in chat, otherwise you won't get it. Make sure you're active in chat, because I'm about to reward 500 pants to everyone. Reward 500. Here it comes. Boom. Boom. Everybody got pants. Let's go. So we're gonna... What if I butt slap? No, no, please, 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 please. Nice. No, you don't have enough, Chris. You don't have 1,000. You can't bet 1,000 if you don't have 1,000. Ooh, look at the mud slap. I'm gonna have to go heal again, I think. Right? Oh, now you have 1002. Now you can bet them. Just now you earned them. Just now. When you tried to bet, you didn't have 1002, I think. Now you can. I wouldn't bet all of them, but it's up to you. Ghastly fainted. Ooh, you won, Chris! Nice. I'm gonna go heal. Alright, let's go. Most excellent. This radio tower will fulfill our grand design. I guess I won't be able to use my ghastly. How about Hoot Hoot? Nah, I'll use Totodile. He's dragon type. I don't have ice type moves anyway. I should, but whatever. Steel type. Alright, let's use Surf again. Actually, yes, Surf. Ooh! Conversion, now what? Normal type? Bite. There's a cooldown, Chris. You can't bet that fast. You need to give it some time. Alright. It's the director. You came to rescue me? Is that what you were expecting? Wrong. I'm an imposter. I pretended to be the real thing to prepare for our takeover. Do you want to know where we hid the real director? Sure, I'll tell you, but only if you can beat me. Wow, 6 Pokemon. Wow! Alright, let's go. And it's level 30, yeah? That's a lot. That sludge. One down. Another coughing. Another coughing! Get down! Come on, why don't you just explode? Oh, come on. Come on, how many coughings do you have? A dozen? I don't have any healing, right? Nope. Ah, rip. Let's continue with our total dial. Is Mudslap gonna work? Yes. Oh wow, it's not very powerful though. $27. Now he comes out with the wheezings. What if I Mudslap right away? Let's see, hold on. Maybe I can Mudslap a couple of times and maybe if he self-destructs or explodes, he misses? Who knows? Maybe it's not worth it. I'm just gonna surf. Come on! Nice. This was annoying. A bunch of coughings. This wasn't an interesting fight. Ouch. Evie, can you do this? Really? I'm scared. I don't want him to faint. Oh, I'm sorry to hear, Chris. Alright, EV level 29. Let's keep using... Alright, I hope this works out. Alright. Not good. I'm gonna use Marip. Nope. Okay, well, we stashed the real director in the underground warehouse. It's at the far end of the underground, but I doubt you'll get that far. Vloggy received basement key. Alright, let's go. This 8-bit music is amazing. Alright. Now to the basement. Ah, this guy. I should be okay. It keeps buffering. Is it buffering for anybody else? Or is it just you? Seems to be okay from here. I don't know. I don't know if it's YouTube, but my internet connection is fine. I'm not losing any frames per second. Try refreshing the page. It's okay on Toby's side. Thank you for the feedback, buddy. Come on, level 33, Ghastly, give me level 33! Are we gonna hit level 33 by the time we finish these Team Rockets? What do you guys think? It's just 2 levels when you think about it, come on. The basement key opened the door. Bye. Alright, let's go. I think I will. Oh no! Hold it! I think I will. I don't need you to wonder. You beat me before, didn't you? That's just a fluke. But I repay my debt. Oh wow, I didn't expect this. I keep forgetting when this guy is gonna show up. Wow, this was a nice surprise. Alright, Russell. The thing is, we have to switch. No, not Evie! Oh, I missed, almost made a big boo-boo. Mareep, go. Okay, Chris, no problem. Thank you so much for hanging out, buddy. Come on, one attack. I just need you to do one attack. There we go. Or maybe another one. Come on. Or maybe two more. Come on, do it for me. For me. Ah! Nothing like smooth legs. Come on, paralyze, please. No? Ah, poor Mareep. That stupid bite. Maybe with the EV? Can we pull it off with the EV? I'm scared. No, let's go Totodile. You wanna bite? I bite. No, you stupid Confuse Ray! I hate the Confuse Ray. Wow. Hey, Totodile's not trash. Here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna switch to Ghastly. And then I'm gonna switch to Dratini. Alright, now, Ghastly's level 31, good job. Dratini, alright. Hoot Hoot, alright. 28. Trying to learn, takedown, ooh, nice. Instead of, I guess, tackle. Hunter. You know what? It's your Hunter versus my Ghastly. Let's see who's boss. He's level 30, yeah? He's gonna trash me. Actually, you know what? Ooh, come on, man! No, come on. Oh, you suck! You suck, ass! Oh, Totodile revenge. Level 30. Meganium. Alright, let's try something new. We're gonna risk this, but I don't care. Can I attack first? Please, 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 please. No. Poison powder. No, I meant to do peck! Ugh! Come on! One more peck. And then I'm gonna fly. We're gonna do this. Oh, come on! That's so cheap! No. Look at this. He's gonna wake up, he's gonna slam me with his body, and bye, have a great time. Oh, man. Alright, Eevee. Do this. You can handle a body slam, come on. Alright. And he missed the bodies. Come on, it's a tackle. It's just a tackle. He missed it. The one thing he had to do. Oh, you suck. Yeah, Eevee's still a baby, but Eevee sucks at this point. Sneasel. There's nothing I can do. Look how weirdly colored Sneasel is. It's like they couldn't decide what they're gonna color Sneasel. Is the Resident Evil reference? Alright, Dragon Rage. Man. I'm not happy, I'm not satisfied. No Ghastly, no. No Ghastly, no. No Hoot Hoot, no. No Totodile, no. No Dratini, no. This was hilarious. Oh man, the one Pokemon I wanted to evolve didn't evolve. It's not easy keeping them babies, huh? I honestly think it's like you're playing Pokemon on hard mode. I would love to see Cheer play Pokemon. I would love to see everybody play Pokemon. Pokemon is awesome. It's an awesome game. It's an awesome game. What's that? What next? No Gyarados? No. What do you mean? Hold on. Pokemon. So Ghastly 31. I'm gonna keep training Ghastly for now. Hoot I'm gonna train until he reaches. Hold on. What about Hoot? Hoot needs to be. 34, perhaps? Yeah, probably. No, I'll train Hoot up until 30, and then we'll switch to Eevee. That's how it's gonna be. Alright, let's go. Come on, I need to be level 33 today with Ghastly. I cannot use Ghastly. Nice. So we shall use... I can't use... I'll also use Hoot. Look at this! They attack before I switch, and it's a critical! What the heck? I have to go heal again! I'm gonna have to go heal again. God dang it! I keep doing this because I want to train my Ghastly. I think there's a puzzle here. I think I still remember the solution. I'm not so sure though. I'll try. Mark! Should be okay. Come on, Ghastly, you can handle this. What's up, Dada? What's going on? Why are you oh my goodnessing? Coughing, come on. Come on! I wanna get you to level 32 after this battle. Yeah, right. Don't you dare poison. I can't use him. Pokemon, switch to... JOHTO. Haven't checked my phone in a very long time. Hang on. Ah, that's... Come on! Oh, you're so cheap. Ah. I'm gonna have to go heal again. Unbelievable. Oh, you hate Resetus! Unbelievable. Go heal again, like an idiot. Gwahahaha. Coughing. Can I hypnotize him? Come on. Yes! Give me that XP. Give me the XP. Come on. Alright, is he gonna tell me how the solution? Alright, a hint. Change the order of switching. That'll change the way the shutters open and close. I don't know. So. I think this guy has a hound up. No, he has Growlithe, I think. If I remember correctly. Let's see if I still remember. Eddie. Growlithe. I knew it. Now this guy might know Bite, so I'm gonna switch. Wow, Hoothoot is really growing fast. Alright, back to Ghastly. Oh, come on! Alright, so that's shutter number 3. Alright, shutter number 2. Still locked here. Alright, and shutter number 3. Number 1, I mean. This should be it. Okay, with this Pokemon battle I expect Ghastly to get to level 32. Come on. Come on. Ooh, Magmar. What if... no. Come on, come on. Yes! Come on, level 33! Nope. Here we go. I'll give you something to be scared about. Is this Cassidy again? Yeah, it's Cassidy again. Gloom. I should be okay to use Shadow Ball, yes? Oh, wow. That was a critical hit? No! Nightshade. Wow, another critical. Alright. Do I have anything? Oh, there we go. Where are we? Okay, we are so gonna hit level 33 before we finish this. I'm so tired of fighting rockets today. That's all I did in this stream. 3 hours. Eradicate. Maybe I can send you to sleep? Another pack and then fly. Uh-oh. Ouch. Oh my goodness. How much I hate you. Come on, Eevee, come on, Eevee. No, please don't kill my Eevee. Alright, it's gonna have to be Marie. This is not looking good. All right. My JOHTO stopped gaining experience now because of this. You know what? I'm not going back again. All right. We'll see. I'm tired of fighting rockets. Come on. Nice, come on. Alright, Evie, well done. Bite, okay, that's great. Yuck, 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 yuck. Alright. Come on, so close! Do I have an healing on me? I don't think I do. Nope. Danica, hello! TM35, what does TM35 contain? Hold on, this is important. Pack TM35. Sleep talk, nope, not good. Not good sleep talk. I mean, it's good, but I don't intend to use it. How are you, Danica? What's happening here? Take over by Team Rocket. Here, take this card key. I have to go outside again now. Might as well heal while I'm outside then. I'm good. I have to be at work in about an hour. Amulet coin. Nice. I think one of these guys fights me, I think. No, I think one of these guys battles me. No. No. I thought one of these guys would battle me. I don't know where I got that from. No. Okay, my bad. Getting ready for the bed. Ah. Okay, so which floor? What's all this? 4th floor? Let's go 4th floor. Bing bong. So soon. Why you go to bed early? Alright, so buy, and I'm going to buy 1 protein. Can I buy an iron? And 1 iron. Okay, good. I think that should be enough now, huh? So, back. Protein. Use Eevee. Wait, I'm up at 6 AM. I am always up at 6 AM. And 5, and 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Alright, so, gonna go heal. I'm about to level up my hunter, and he's gonna evolve. Yes! Yes! Come on. Alright, so back to the radio tower. Third floor. Alright, this is it. I think this is gonna be the trainer that's going to cause the evolution. Let's see if I'm right. Reticate. Bad start. You know what? Hoot hoot, go. Scareface is like a laser. Even the sound. Mwahahaha. He just might defeat me, huh? Ah, it's okay. We did it. Alright, switch again, switch again. Ghastly. You're gonna level up again. Critical. Here it comes! Yes. And we're gonna remove this. Nice. Yeah, here it comes, it's happening! Oh, I don't have a Haunter picture? Really? I don't? So I'm gonna have to download one real quick. Sorry, I was looking at the pictures, it's hilarious, one of the images. But I'm gonna leave it as it is. Alright, so, hold on. Oh, come on, man. There he is. There he is. 1, 2, 1, 2. Boom, I like it. That's the right size as well. Maybe tiny, teeny, tiny smaller. There we go. I'm happy. Now I have a Haunter. I'm so happy! So cool. Alright, so Pokemon, I'm gonna switch to JOHTO there now. Executive. Go bat! Wow, level 36. Ouch, man. Wow. Wow. Actually, there was another image I was gonna use instead. Actually, you know what? Since Cheer brought it up. Okay, you guys tell me. You guys tell me what you think. Hold on. Because I downloaded 2 images of Haunter. I don't know which one you guys prefer. Save images. Hold on. Haunter 2. Tell me if you prefer this one instead. Hold on. Maybe you prefer this one? Is this one funnier? What do you guys think about this one? I'll have to make it smaller though. I think it's too animated though, is it? What do you think? I like this one, but I think it's too animated. Should I leave this one or use the one previous? Or is this too distracting? What do you guys think? That's why I got distracted earlier, because I was looking at it. I'm like, should I put this one, or is it too distracting? That should be your sub alert. Blah, 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 blah. My sub alert is a Pikachu. No, it's what's his name? Scraggy? I forgot. The one that drops his pants. I mean, it's very appropriate. Alright, so surf. Wow, level 36 is confusing me a bit. I don't know how I'm gonna deal with this guy. Level 36. Scraggy, the one with the pants, yes. Scraggy. I think it's fitting. I like Pokemon, and it's the only Pokemon that references pants. I don't even like Scraggy as a Pokemon, to be honest with you. Wow, critical. I'm getting angry now. All right. I reminded Cheer of pants. Alright, so I really don't feel like healing, but whatever. Against. Alright, I'm gonna do Mud Slap. Oh, that's not good. Oh, missed. Nice. Alright. Ah, Hoot is down. Maybe we can use Eevee? Come on. You son of a biscuit. I'm gonna switch to Totodile again. I'm gonna attempt the Mud Slap thing again. Ooh! Rip. That's it, rip. Marie. I would love to try again with Evie. Let's go again. Ouch. This doesn't look good. Why you not flinch? Uh-oh! No, please, no, please. I can... No, I'm not gonna risk it. He's gonna faint the moment I switch. Alright, I need to heal. I don't want my Eevee to faint. Alright, and I have to go heal. What about her? What does she do? Meowth, help me. Hey Kevin, hello, welcome. Welcome to the stream. I've been streaming for almost 3.5 hours and all I did was just fight rockets. That's all I did. But still it was a productive stream. I earned the badge. Oh, I also earned the badge, yeah, I thought a gym leader once as well. So... How much further, my goodness. Alright, 2 more rockets, I guess. Oh, I see. Alright, so, shall I go with Mud Slap? Yes. If I can hit him with Mud Slap 3 times, I'll be happy. 1. You do spy a shiny. Yes, you do spy a shiny. Yes, I'm very proud of my shiny. I hatched them today. I never did the whole hatching and hunting for shinies. Today was my first attempt, and after a couple of eggs I managed to get a shiny. Alright, so fight, surf. I'll show you my Hoot Hoot later. Let me just handle this guy first. Ah, you poison! Come on. Toby with the shiny carps. Alright, so I'm gonna switch, yes, and I'm gonna use Hoot Hoot. Vileplume. I wonder if I can get shiny carps now. That does anybody know if two shiny Pokemon breed another shiny? Does it work like that? Does anybody know? Come on, you got this, Hoot Hoot. You got this. Because I have the shiny red Gyarados. If you play Pokemon Red, Blue, or Yellow, do not buy the Magikarp from the strange man outside Mount like I did. You did, you bought it. Yeah, I finished that game last month, actually. In fact, that Dratini you see, that Dratini came from Pokemon Red. I'm gonna boost enough for 5. Oh yes, CV. Murkrow. What can I use? Mareep, I suppose. Murkrow! Thundershock. Yeah, I heard about that too, Toby. Yes, I heard about that too. I always buy that carp. Toby has a thing for Magikarps. Alright, we're done here as well. No Hoot Hoot. Still too soon. Magikarp. Oh. Alright, so Pokemon. Let me show you my Hoot Hoot, by the way. Oops. Actually, I used it earlier, so you saw it. There's my Hoot Hoot. So, should I go heal real quick? Yeah, why not? Can I make it to the Pokemon Center before my Totodile faints? Can we? Can we? I don't think I will. Come on! Oh, I hate it when they do that. Come on, you can do this! Yes, I did. What time is it in the game? This doesn't say. Pokegear? 9:35. Oh, it's the correct actual time right now. That's good. That's nice. Because my DS is an Australian 3DS. I thought maybe... Hey, Green Dragonite, welcome. Did you find the shiny? Who actually hatched it? I hatched it this morning. I was so happy and proud. I did the whole... I don't know if you know about this, Green Dragonite. You transfer the red Gyarados to Pokemon Red. You teach it Mimic. And then you fight a Ditto. And then Ditto does transform and it copies your stats, so it basically becomes a shiny Ditto. You catch that shiny Ditto and you bring it over back to Pokemon Silver. And then you start breeding and you get 1 in 64 chance. That's what I did. Kevin, that's so random. Alright, so... Yay! Thank you for subscribing, Green Dragonite. I love Pokemon, so if you love Pokemon, expect more of this. I'm looking forward for Ultra Sun, Ultra Moon. I'll be streaming a 12 to 24 hour that day for sure. That should bring our boss Giovanni back from his solo training. We're going to regain our former glory. I won't allow you to interfere with our plans. All right, here we go. Here we go. So, Houndour. I wanted a Houndour in my team, but you find these very late in the game. So until then, surf. Take your time, Green Dragonite, no problem. Ooh, nice! Very strong. Coughing. Let's keep going, let's keep going. What do with the Mud Slap? Do the Mud Slap dance! It's not a very strong move, honestly, but it lowers the accuracy, I love that. I mean, look at compared to Surf. And this is not a super effective move, look. You see? It's not a very strong move. I was about to use Houndoom. Oh, nice. This is a very strong Houndoom, actually, if I remember correctly. Yeah. So what can I use against... Trying to think. Maybe Hoot Hoot? I don't remember that. No, Kevin, no. And well, I watched season 1 and 2 of Pokemon. Eee, come on, man! Really? This Houndoom, man, is gonna be my ruin. Thundershock, come on. Yeah, as I was saying, I only watched like the first generation and second generation of the anime. Then third generation I watched, but inconsistently. Wow, this Houndoom is really strong. Alright, let's use Haunter. crap. He's gonna trash me, is he? Yeah, he is. Ah! I'm gonna have to use my one and only Dratini. Ooh, nice. And they're gone. Vloggy, thank you. Your courageous actions have saved Pokemon nationwide. I know it's not much, but please take this. Vloggy, see it's Silver Wing. Oh, it is much, actually. Lugia time, exactly. Well, I mean, not today. I think she gives me something now. Oh, okay. Useless. Alright, one more thing I need to do. Actually, hold on. I love Lugia, that's why I bought Silver. I love the design of the Pokemon, it's very nice. Alright, so, a few things that I need to do. First, I need to heal the Pokemon. Now, I need to check something with the lady over here. Nope, 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 nope. Sort of happy. I don't like sort of happy. Yes, exactly. I know about that, Kevin, yes. Because there was a limit on the number of letters in the names, yes. It was supposed to be called Skull Kraken, it's true. Oh, come on, man. Alright, so... that's it, apparently. Alright. I hate spending all this money, but I need to. I need to do this as soon as possible. So... it's friendly towards you, it looks sort of happy. No, that's not good enough. So, pack. So let's use the iron. Now what do you think of my EV? It's friendly towards it, looks sort of happy. Not good enough! Welcome back, Green Dragonite. Alright, so let's give him Carbos. Now what do you think of my Eevee? Oh, come on, really? How much more? I'm spending all my money on this. I can't believe this, but I have to. I have to. Oh, the next shiny giveaway. Sometime this month. I cannot commit to saying when, but sometime this month for sure. Definitely. Definitely. Alright, so let me sell a bunch of stuff now that I don't need. It's official. Vloggy doesn't love his Eevee. I'm trying to love him as much as I can. Alright, so sell. Let me just sell some stuff now. The pink bow. I don't care about normal type Pokemon, so how many? Just sell. Oh, 50? That's not much, but whatever. I need it. I need the money. Full heal, ice heal, nugget. That's it. Buy. Nah, Cheer loves Vloggy. Alright, protein. Can I buy one more? Yes, yes, yes. I'm totally broke. I'm completely broke. Alright, let's go again. Once again, what do you think of my Eevee? Not good enough. Let's see now. What do you think of my Eevee, please? Ah, come on! Sort of happy. That's okay, Green Dragonite. I'm about to end the stream, actually. I'm about to end the stream. I've been streaming for almost 4 hours. I can't believe I streamed for almost 4 hours. I have to start getting ready for work now. So I'm gonna go. I would like to thank everybody that showed up in the stream and say hello. I appreciate you keeping me company. But it's time to go. I'll most probably stream tomorrow, but I cannot commit to saying yes. I don't know about Sunday, but yeah. Thanks so much for hanging out, everybody. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Ciao.